Hello friends, welcome back to Kala Poshana. I hope you guys are doing good. Holi is coming up, so for this Holi, decorate with this beautiful home decor. I'm super excited about this project. I hope you all enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment below if you have any questions, and if you are new to my channel, why late? Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you won't miss a video. I have provided all the details of the items I have used in the video description. To make this chai pot decor, we need the kettle pot. I am using an aluminium teapot here. Apply 2 coats of gesso, that is white acrylic paint. If you ask me, why do we need the initial coat, Vishnu? I would show you an example here. I tried without the base coat and you can see here that the paint started to chip off. So, I would suggest always doing the base white coat on surfaces like these. I drew a Holi dancing pear sketch on a paper and traced it onto the kettle. You can draw any design of your choice. I am adjusting the lines after tracing for any missing design. Here, I am adding a border so that I can create a different design on another side of the kettle pot. I painted the kettle with 2 colors, red and green, and for the dancing pear backdrop, I finished off with orange. First, I am starting the design on the red backdrop side where I have marked 1-inch dots as shown here. I am drawing a simple tic-tac-toe rangoli design with mandala dots. I love adding dots to create something more abstract than traditional designs. I always draw a design marking using a paint pen so that if I make any mistakes like these, I can correct them easily by repainting those portions. Using a 0 size paintbrush, I am finishing the design by adding mandala dots with a hairpin or dotting tools, anything that is available for you. I'm adding simple dots design to the kettle spot. Now it's time to paint the dancing pair. Simply fill in the colors of your choice to the figures. Before adding the borders using a paint pen, I finished the varnish first, as in my past experience, when I added varnish after paint pen, it spread the color of the paint pen. So to avoid that, I did varnish first and then added the border using the paint pen. For the lid, I painted the Rangoli Muggu design and finished it with some dots to the lid. Now, to create the chai glasses, I am using these 2-inch glass candles. Once these candles are used, I clean the glasses with some warm water to remove the leftover wax. For these glasses, I am not using a base coat as I wanted to have a little clear view. So, I painted 2 coats of red acrylic paint. I added same tic-tac-toe rangoli design and let it dry completely and then later finished off with some external varnish. Fill these beautiful glasses with some Holi colors and place them along with the chai kettle pot that we made as centerpiece of your Holi decor. I bet your friends will enjoy this and take like hundreds of selfies. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We have made chai pot with chai glasses, and to make this decor more special and beautiful, coming up next Tuesday morning at 5 a.m. is the chai bandi, chai samosa bandi. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.